Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be talking about the 13th strategy in my guidebook that I've just released. You can go check that out first before you do anything. It's going to be in the link down below. It's basically a compilation of all 25 strategies that I've used to really optimize my workspace and to increase my productivity and focus. So go ahead and click on the link below, check it out first, and if you have any questions or you want to learn more about each strategy, I'm going to be releasing a video for each strategy here. So without wasting any time, let's get into the 13th strategy. Limit your exposure to social media. So I know how hard it is, especially for our generation, to get distracted by the lives of other people that you see on social media, especially the lives that are not necessarily our friends or people we know, but really people who we don't know on the Explore page that really seem to be living a life that it looks really nice and of course can be distracting. Now, FOMO is an actual, I guess, a state of mind, and it reads out fear of missing out. And this has been really gaining popularity over the years as social media has exposed people to the lives of different people, people who you don't know, but they seem to be living out amazing and beautiful lives. Now, the problem with FOMO is that it leads to distraction from you and your goals today. Like with all distractions, this one must also be addressed so that you understand what it really is doing for you and your focus. Now, what I recommend is to set a specific time during the day and the purpose by which you will be really looking at social media, be on social media, so you don't get distracted by any fear of missing out, emotions, or just feeling inadequate, because that is a very prevalent emotion that does occur when you are comparing your lives with someone who you don't even know and you see on social media. So I highly recommend that you first set a specific time so that you're not distracted throughout the day with the lives of other people, but you are focused entirely on you and your goals for today, because that is what gets you to the next goals that you have that will eventually create a lifestyle that you'll be proud of once you get this started and going. Now, what happens when you do this? What happens when you set a specific time purpose to watch social media and to be on it? You gain self-control. Self-control is basically you telling yourself yes to some things and no to other things. And in my experience, I had to really say no to a lot of things than before and say yes to only a few things. And that way I can stay focused and to really maximize the time and the space that I was in order to grow and to execute and tackle the goals that I had for the day. Once you gain self-control, you'll have stronger habits. So once you first start, it's always hard in the beginning. And trust me when I say this, I have had to deal with inconsistent routines, inconsistent schedule, inconsistent spaces, and that all led me to not build strong foundational habits for me to build the other aspects of my life to be more full, to be more of a fuller human being. And so these goals are by building stronger habits, you're able to then make it easier for yourself. You understand the purpose by which you're using social media. I use it to be inspired by different creators and their content so that I can share with you guys what I think about different topics regarding productivity, but also just to be inspired to dream and to really materialize and to think about how I want to approach my life so that I can really maximize the time that I have today. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I empathize with you. I know that I experience this a lot when I get on social media and I compare my life to other people's lives, and there's times when I feel inadequate and demotivated to start. But what's important is that you stay focused, you stay grounded with yourself today, so that you can execute your goals and feel proud of yourself. So hope you guys like this video. If you did like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll be releasing more videos for the next couple of strategies, and make sure you check out the guidebook down below. Hope to see you in the next one.